If you're seeing the Reddit we had a server error message on Reddit, here's exactly how you can fix it quickly. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your Reddit app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Reddit, and if there's an update button, tap on it. Next, try closing the app completely and reopening it. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix temporary server issues. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is connectivity related. Now, you can try clearing the app cache. On your iPhone, go to the settings and then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Now, here, scroll down and search for Reddit. Once you see it, tap on it and then tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall it from the App Store. This will clear temporary data without deleting your account. Another tip is to log out and log back in. Sometimes server errors happen due to authentication issues and a quick logout login can fix that. Finally, if none of these steps work, visit Reddit's server page at status.reddit.com to check if there's a server-wide issue. If Reddit is down for maintenance or experiencing technical problems, there's nothing you can do except wait for them to fix it. And that's all. By following these steps, you can fix most Reddit server errors quickly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.